Didn't you just take a picture of me? That's hypocritical. That's funny, dude. You're funny, dude. I'm on your property? Where? This is your property? You know what an easement is? Do you know what an easement is? You don't know what a public easement is? No? Well, you might get educated today. You might get educated today. I'm not your slave. Sorry.
Oh, that's why we're turning it into
I mean, I could. But you're telling me to do something, right? What did I tell you to do? What did I tell you? Wait. Hey, no. Asking is, hey, could you wait for the cops? You said wait for the cops. Yeah, that's a tell. That's not an ask. Wait for the cops. Did you go and they didn't educate you over the phone on what public easement is? Just be truthful to the cops when they show up.
You've been asked to leave the property, sir.
When?
You haven't signed on to the property. Just now.
Just now?
Yeah.
All right, I'm now on the property. Do you know what an easement is?
You're not in a safe place either.
Do you know what an easement is? Your safety is not my concern. My safety is not your concern. No one's safety is anyone else's concerns.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not trying to be funny. I'm trying to be serious. Do you know what an easement is?
What are you doing out here? What's the point of you being here?
I've been taking photos. He said he's calling the cops, so I was waiting 10 minutes.
So what were you taking photos of? That's all we were wondering.
No, I told him.
Because
but I told him.
Coming in out of here, we gotta wonder what foot traffic is doing.
But I told him what I was doing.
Oh, he said you did.
Yeah, I did.
All right, guys. We begin with a tense encounter as a man photographing from a public easement is immediately confronted by a property employee. Confusion rises quickly. Questions about ownership, boundaries, and the definition of an easement dominate the early exchange. The individual asserts his right to stand where he is, insisting he has not entered private property. As accusations grow, the man stays calm, repeatedly explaining he is simply taking public photographs. Meanwhile, the employee claims control over sidewalks and streets, escalating a simple misunderstanding into a potential legal confrontation.
He said you didn't have to talk to him.
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's not what you said?
I told him. I said I'm out here taking pictures of what I can see in public.
No. He said that you asked him.
So I got to record it right here. I got to record it right here. You can lie all you want. He can lie all he wants. But I told him.
I don't really care.
I know you don't care.
I'm doing my job.
Yeah, you can do your job. But your job really is inside, not outside of your property.
All of this is my job, buddy.
Really? The curb and everything?
Yeah.
Even the sidewalk?
Yeah.
You own the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Really?
That's my job.
You own the sidewalk? For real?
I own it.
You really do? They own the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Holy shit. The only company in the U.S. to own the sidewalk.
You know, look at little viral videos, but it's not going to work today.
Yeah? What if the cops show up and try and do something crazy? That'd be hilarious, right?
Just asking you to look further off the road. That's all I'm trying to do.
You want me to move off the road a little bit? Sure, I'll do that for you.
Yeah, just so I can get off.
Yeah, come on.
Okay,
I'll move.
that's all I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'll move.
Can you move in the parking lot?
I can't go in their property. I can't do that.
I'm asking you to.
No. If they ask me to, then I'd go. I can't do that.
They're saying that you were just on their property.
No, I was there. I got it all recorded, man. Up and down.
Okay. Now I have to look at it.
You want to look at my video?
I just got the phone with me. Yeah.
Well, I've been up and down here. If they tell you otherwise, well, they can do a PPA. Yeah, they can do a PPA, and I can go ahead and go to jail, and they can go ahead and release me. No, I was about to move so you can move your car.
No, that's cool.
You sure?
I mean, I asked you to go in the parking lot. You're not going to
Yeah, I'm not going to go in the parking lot because that's on their property.
Okay.
And he already said I'm not allowed on their property.
So I'll just block this
Right.
in. That's fine.
I mean, if you want to, I can move down there and you can go ahead and park.
Now, I want to make this as easy as possible.
All right, no
What's
problem.
your name, man?
I don't want to give that, sir.
As the confrontation continues, the employees insist the photographer stepped onto their property, while he maintains he never crossed the boundary and has video proof. A police officer arrives, attempting to determine why photos were taken and whether any laws were broken. The man states clearly that everything he did was from a public easement, and he has every moment documented. The officer requests minor cooperation, such as stepping off the roadway, but the man refuses to enter the company's parking lot, citing their claim he was not allowed on the property.
Okay, well, I can tell you right now, unfortunately, you're being detained for a disorderly conduct violation because they're saying that you're on the property, okay, and you're cursing at
You can read that and return it in 1 minute.
I just want your side
Nope,
of the
if you're
story.
saying disorderly conduct, if that's my charge, they can take me in. I'll go ahead and do a PPA. And they can go ahead and arrest me, and I'll go ahead and fight it in court. As I said, I got it all on camera.
Well, that's great. I'd rather you just.
I understand it, but it's not my due diligence to prove anything. It's their job to prove I was on.
Harder than it has to be, though.
I'm not making it harder. They called the cops. I didn't call you.
Right.
But you can read that or you can return it. But it's explaining the law.
I know what the law is. I'm just asking
Okay, do you want to read it?
Story.
Do you want to read it? I told you my story. I was taking pictures out here. Now I can't have my property back. If you don't want to read it, that's fine.
Right now, I'm paying attention to you.
That's fine. Am I being detained?
You are. I just told you. You're
For what crime?
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct.
You want to give your side of the story now, or?
No, I'll wait till they tell you theirs. And if they tell you I was in their property, that's fine. But I wasn't.
You want to take the seat for me then?
No, I will not sit.
Well, I'm going to put you in handcuffs then, okay?
I refuse. If you do, I will be pressing a lawsuit against you.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
If you put me in handcuffs, you'll be getting a lawsuit.
258, you might come up here for a second, please.
Matter of fact, let me do this. Let me call my lawyer then. Let me call my lawyer. He says I'm being detained.
Hey, he's being detained right now. I'm going to put him in handcuffs.
I'm calling my lawyer right now.
He's
He didn't want to read my information.
The situation shifts when the officer informs the man he is being detained for disorderly conduct based on the company's allegations. Calm but assertive, the man challenges this claim, stating he committed no crime and welcoming either an arrest or a formal report if necessary. He repeatedly asks what lawful reason exists for detaining him and refuses to sit on the ground, warning that unnecessary restraints would lead to legal action. Calling his lawyer, he documents every second, emphasizing that it is the officer's responsibility, not his, to prove wrongdoing before demanding identification or compliance.
I told him before already, I've been up and down here, not on their property, on a public easement. It's up to you to do what you want to do, but I'm calling my lawyer.
They just said he was taking pictures. They confronted him. They kind of got back and forth verbally, but that's it. That's all.
So they're saying he didn't go on the property?
They said he was in the driveway. They didn't say he went past the gate or anything like that into the property.
Are they wanting to press charges?
No, they didn't.
No, they're not. Okay.
No.
That's a different story than I got.
Yeah.
Oh, they want to press charges?
Okay.
So what story did you get?
Well, they thought you were. They were saying you were on their property and you wouldn't leave and you're blocking trucks.
I wasn't blocking anything.
then-
That's a false report. If they want to take me to jail,
talking
that's
to you right now, you start talking to somebody, you get a little more information as you talk to them. You know what I'm saying?
But
And so that's what they finally
can you
said.
answer
They
me
said,
this?
Yeah.
Is it my job to answer your questions?
You don't have to answer my questions.
There we go. Now, he says I'm detained for disorderly. Am I still being detained?
You
They don't want to press charges. You don't like intent.
So if I wanted to press charges, they'd be detained, right? You put them in handcuffs the same way?
What's that?
You put them in the handcuffs the same way if they were detained, right?
If I was investigating them for doing some sort of offense, and they weren't complying with anything I asked them to do.
So as I was trying to give him, I am complying. But here's 3802.
I'm blocking Elena Sally. Let's get out
Yeah,
of here.
I tried to go ahead and let him. But if you want to read that for me?
I'm familiar with it. That's
So
what,
he doesn't want to get educated. That's the problem. Briggs, what's your badge number?
Let's get out of here.
What's your badge number, sir? I'm asking.
1447.
1447?
I gotta get out of the road, okay?
I asked you to get out of the roadway earlier.
just
But
sit back and say
I can't pass back here, sir.
Huh?
I can't pass back here.
Why?
That's their property.
Well,
See this? This is my safety sign. See that
that's for the
telephone pole?
roadway.
Yeah.
okay.
This is my
Well,
easement.
here's the thing. Anything else I could do for you? They're not wanting to press charges. They just say you didn't do anything. So.
Well, I didn't commit a crime, so it
I
wouldn't matter.
understand.
So, but do you understand 3802, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And that means I don't have to ID or anything until I've been lawfully arrested.
Yes, sir. I agree. I understand all
So that man, he detained me. I like the incident report since I was detained.
that. He never detained.
He said I got it on film, sir.
No, did he?
He said I was legally being detained. He can tell you right now.
Okay, if he never put handcuffs on you or anything like that.
That doesn't matter. I was detained. I would like the incident report.
As officers speak with the business employees, inconsistencies quickly emerge. Workers admit he never passed the gate, never entered the property, and did not block traffic. The claims originally made to police begin to collapse. The man presses the officers on legal standards, reminding them of his right not to identify himself unless lawfully arrested. Even as tensions rise, he stays composed, insisting on transparency and accountability. The officer finally acknowledges the company does not wish to press charges, effectively clearing the man of any criminal accusation and validating his earlier statements.
Okay. So I can go ahead and press file a report against this officer for detaining me for no crime.
You'd have to go up to the South Lake Police Department.
No, sir. The report was on me. I can get that report right now. What's that incident number?
I'll tell you what, meet me at the station, I'll give it to you.
That's not how it works. Can you get your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Can you get your supervisor, please?
Sure. Meet me at the station and I'll have you talk to him.
No, sir.
I'm not
I would
gonna
like to
have him come out here.
either give me an incident report, or I'm just gonna have to. This is getting more difficult than what it has to be. Why are you so uptight? Why can't you just give me?
On the road right now.
Okay, I'm
And
on an easement.
Okay, are you gonna let me talk?
Go on.
You're asking me a question, let me answer. Okay? Alright. When I was asking you questions earlier, trying to get your side of the story, you didn't want to share anything. I told you I was here to get your side of the story.
All right, and was I fleeing from you or fighting with you or anything put you in danger?
No, you weren't.
So why would you put me in handcuffs?
I told you were going to be detained. I asked you a simple thing was for my safety, and your safety, was to sit on the ground.
So here's the thing about sitting on the ground.
So it's,
you don't know if I have medical issues,
I'm
man.
down, okay?
Can I get an
Not
incident
detained.
report?
I told you go.
Can
to
I
the
get an
police
incident
station. I'll
report?
look it up for you, okay?
Can I get an incident report?
Yes, you can.
Can I get it right here, right
At the
now?
police
Can I
station.
get the number right here? Because I know you can pull it up in your.
Brought it down.
Yeah, if you want to write it down, or just tell me. Right here. 1 second.
You let me know when you're ready.
All right.
So now get the incident number, please. It's gonna be 20SP
0SP
0137
0137
62.
62.
All right,
That's it.
that's it.
All right. That's all I need to know, man.
Okay.
I don't know why you make it difficult, man. Like incident report. You're gonna be on my way.
That all you need,
sir?
You too, man.
That all you need?
That's all I wanted. Or did you have your name and badge number as well?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a business card? That's awesome,
business
dude.
card, all
Dang,
you
man, you fancy, dude. Here we go. All right, we all good?
All right, man. Look forward to the video, man. You have a good one.
All right. So, Blas Hernandez, I said hello.
All right, I will.
Yeah, he'll know what's up.
With the situation resolved, the man requests an incident report, insisting on proper documentation of the detainment that occurred without a confirmed crime. After initial resistance, the supervising officer provides the incident number, allowing the man to pursue further action if he chooses. Professional yet persistent, he ensures all information is recorded before leaving the scene. The encounter ends with surprising civility, business cards exchanged, final clarifications made, and the man walking away confident that his rights were upheld, his footage secured, and the truth fully documented.